sit here and think, should I stay or should I go? Too much in the end, I know it won't pick up. I remember all the times that I fought you, and I'm saying it's enough. But you're the one who made me believe in what I do. Do you regret it, all the words that you said to me? You pushed me hard enough to succeed, and I alone can say that this is who I'm meant to be. Release me from your hold, allow me to breathe. Looking back through all I've seen, now I see the world much clearer. You stop existing. I was never yours to bend and break. Believed your words and that was my mistake. It was, should I forgive you at all? Drove me to the edge, I'm trying not to fall. I remember all the days that I spent with you. I know it was too much, and I know